YOLO Reviews here, and today we're going to show you how to remove a boob light so you can install a new light fixture. So in order to remove a boob light, first thing that we need to do is just remove the housing and the cover, and we want to make sure we turn the power off at the circuit breaker. So go turn the power off at the circuit breaker, and then it's also a good idea to turn off the power on the light switch to this fixture as well, just to be extra safe. Once you've done that, to make sure that you're safe, you're going to hold the boob light, this glass piece, while you remove this bottom screw on the boob light, because once you remove this screw, this whole glass is going to drop down. So we're going to hold that glass in place while we unscrew the screw that is holding the boob light cover in, and then it will just drop free. Now I've got the boob light cover removed. I'm going to remove my two light bulbs here. Now, in order to remove the boob light fixture itself, you've got two screws. Typically one's right here and one's right here, and you're going to remove those and rotate it off. For whatever reason, whoever put this one on, they put a random screw right here, but we're just still going to remove it, and then we're going to be able to pull this off. So I'm going to remove this screw first here. They should just be electrical screws. There we go. And then I'm going to remove this screw right here, and that's going to allow us to remove the boob light. But typically you'll have one here and here, and you can kind of rotate the entire thing off, but they didn't put this in a junction box the correct way, so we're just dealing with it a little bit differently. Now we've got the boob light removed, so the fixture can actually come free, and it's held in place by the wires that you can see here. So we've got our ground wire here, we've got our hot wire and our white wire. Now we just need to unscrew the wire nuts that are holding the wires together. So we're going to start with our ground wire, and then we've got to do the same for our hot and white wire. And this is our ground wire. I'm going to unscrew that and then pull that off. Now I'm just going to put that cap back on, and then we're going to look at our other two wires that we've got right here. So you may have a wire nut would you just twist off. These are actually press fitting. So in order to release these, you need to have a little screwdriver that you're going to put in there, and that will release these. Or you can just pull pretty hard with a pair of pliers. Make sure you hold on to one side of the wire here, and then we're going to pull that off, because you don't want to pull the wire like out of the ceiling or anything like that. So the way I do it is I just hold on with pliers, and then I use my other hand to secure the wire, and I kind of rotate and pull off, and that will release those as well. So now we've got our boob light fixture completely removed. Until you install a new light fixture, I'd recommend that you just put on these wire caps to be safe on the wires while you are waiting for that new light fixture to go in. So thank you for watching this video on how to remove a boob light so that you can install a new light fixture. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.